Have you been hit by the infamous Cash App unable to purchase Bitcoin at this time error and want a quick fix? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users face this issue when trying to invest in Bitcoin through Cash App. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this error so you can get back to purchasing Bitcoin effortlessly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step in resolving the Cash App unable to purchase Bitcoin at this time error is to ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can interfere with your transaction. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data to see if the issue persists. You can also restart your router to reset the connection. Step 2. Update the Cash App. Ensure that your Cash App is up to date. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve functionality. Go to your App Store, whether it's Google Play or the App Store, and check for update for Cash App. If an update is available, download and install it, then try purchasing coin again. Step 3. Verify your identity. If your identity isn't verified with Cash App, it might hinder your ability to purchase Bitcoin. Cash App requires you to verify your identity for financial transactions due to compliance and security regulations. Check if you've completed all the necessary verification steps, including providing your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 4. Review your account balance. Another reason for the Cash App unable to purchase Bitcoin at this time error could be inadequate funds. Ensure that your Cash App balance or linked bank account has enough money to cover the Bitcoin purchase and any applicable fees. Navigate to the funds section in your Cash App to confirm your available balance. Step 5. Clear cache and data. Sometimes clearing the app's cache and data can help resolve persistent errors. For Android users, go to Settings, select App, find Cash App, and tap Storage. From there, clear the cache and data. For iPhone users, you may need to uninstall and then reinstall the app to achieve a clean slate. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If none of the above steps work, it might be time to reach out to Cash App. You can do this directly through the app by navigating to your profile and selecting support. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to resolve it. They can offer more personalized assistance and escalate the issue if necessary. Experiencing the Cash App unable to purchase Bitcoin at this time error can be frustrating, but with these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Always ensure your app is updated, your identity is verified, and your account is adequately funded. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to manage your Bitcoin transactions with ease. Remember, if all else fails, contacting Cash App support can provide the guidance you need. Happy investing.